Today we're going to be doing an application video for the BB50 as well as an explanation on how to assemble and disassemble the unit. Okay, so here we have the removable hopper, the bolt that will hold in the stationary jaw. This part is going to the moving jaw. Right here is the stationary jaw. This is the cover for the grinding chamber, and this one is the collecting receptacle. So first we're going to start with the removable hopper. So you can just slide it in. And now we're going to do the moving jaw. So this fits in with just an Allen key and then this piece on top. So and then these will screw in the top. Now we're going to use the jaw locking bolt to install the stationary jaw. So this piece will hook on to the jaw like this for easy installation. You can slide this piece right out, and then here, push it in. And then turn to lock it into place. Finally, we're going to install the cover and then the receptacle. So again, this one will just slide in. And the same thing with the collecting receptacle. To set the gap width to 0 after multiple use, you will have to reset it. And in order to do so, the unit has to be running. So we would start the unit, and then when we would close the gap until we hear it rub, and then back off just a little bit, like so. For our application video today, we're going to be running a brittle metal. So, we're going to start the unit, and I'm going to use a gap width of 1 millimeter. The important thing is that it's fed slowly. Now we're going to disassemble some of the parts of the BB50 for cleaning. So we'll start with the hopper, lift it up, and pull it out. This cover piece will slide. And now we're going to use the bolt again to take out the stationary jaw. Bye.